Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. All right, let's begin. Start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. On the home screen, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap the money icon, which looks like a bank. This will take you to the Money page, where you'll see various options related to your Cash App balance. Scroll down until you reach the Explore section. Here, tap on Bitcoin to access Bitcoin-related features. Once you're on the Bitcoin page, scroll again to find a section labeled Ways to Use Bitcoin. Under this, tap on Deposit Bitcoin. At this point, Cash App will ask you to verify your identity before enabling Bitcoin transactions. Usually, the app prompts you to enter your phone number. Input your number and wait for a verification code. Enter the code when it arrives to confirm your identity. You may also be asked for additional information, such as your full name, date of birth, or government-issued ID. Complete all requested steps carefully. Once everything is confirmed, your Bitcoin feature will be activated. Now you can deposit Bitcoin into your Cash App wallet and access other features like buying, selling, or withdrawing Bitcoin directly from the app. So that's basically how you can verify your Bitcoin on Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.